वह रोज मंदिर जाता है। He goes to the temple every day. He goes to the temple every day. मैं चाय नहीं पीता हूँ। I don't drink tea. I don't drink tea. क्या आप अंग्रेजी जानते हैं? Do you know English? Do you know English? सूरज पूर्व से उगता है। The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. वे यहाँ नहीं रहते। They don't live here. They don't live here. उसे चॉकलेट पसंद है। She likes chocolate. She likes chocolate. गाय घास खाती है। The cow eats grass. The cow eats grass. क्या तुम झूठ बोलते हो? Do you tell lies? Do you tell lies? हम साथ में पढ़ते हैं। We study together. We study together. मेरी माँ स्वादिष्ट खाना बनाती है। My mother cooks delicious food. My mother cooks delicious food. बारिश हो रही है। It is raining. It is raining. मैं फिल्म देख रहा हूँ। I am watching a movie. I am watching a movie. वह क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing? What is he doing? बच्चे शोर मचा रहे हैं। The children are making a noise. The children are making a noise. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? Where are you going? वह फोन पर बात कर रही है। She is talking on the phone. She is talking on the phone. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ। I am not joking. I am not joking. पंखा चल रहा है। The fan is running. The fan is running. वे क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं। They are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? मैंने खाना खा लिया है। I have eaten food. I have eaten food. वह सो गया है। He has gone to sleep. He has gone to sleep. क्या आपने ताज महल देखा है? Have you seen the Taj Mahal? Have you seen the Taj Mahal? ट्रेन जा चुकी है। The train has left. The train has left. उसने मुझे सब कुछ बता दिया है। He has told me everything. He has told me everything. हम मैच जीत गए हैं। We have won the match. We have won the match. सूरज निकल आया है। The sun has come out. The sun has come out. मैंने अपनी चाबियां खो दी हैं। I have lost my keys. I have lost my keys. क्या उसने गृह कार्य पूरा कर लिया है? Has she finished her homework? Has she finished her homework? वे अभी आए हैं। They have just arrived. They have just arrived. मैंने उसे कल देखा था। I saw him yesterday. I saw him yesterday. उसने मुझे फोन नहीं किया। He didn't call me. He didn't call me. हम पिछले साल मनाली गए थे। We went to Manali last year. We went to Manali last year. क्या तुम वहाँ गए थे? Did you go there? Did you go there? उसने गाना गाया। She sung a song. She sung a song. मैंने पत्र लिखा। I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. वे समय पर पहुंच गए। They reached on time. They reached on time. कल बहुत ठंड थी। It was very cold yesterday. It was very cold yesterday. आपने कल क्या खाया? What did you eat yesterday? What did you eat yesterday? उसने अपनी नौकरी छोड़ दी। He quit his job. He quit his job. मैं कल स्कूल जाऊंगा। I will go to school tomorrow. I will go to school tomorrow. वह तुमसे नहीं मिलेगा। He will not meet you. He will not meet you. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? हम अगले हफ्ते मिलेंगे। We will meet next week. We will meet next week. वे शाम को आएंगे. They will come in the evening. They will come in the evening. मैं आपको बाद में फोन करूंगा. I will call you later. I will call you later. क्या बारिश होगी? Will it rain? Will it rain? वह खाना पकाएगी. She will cook food. She will cook food. हम साथ चलेंगे. We will go together. We will go together. मैं ये काम कर दूंगा. I will do this work. I will do this work. मैं अंग्रेजी बोल सकता हूँ. I can speak English. I can speak English. आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए. You should go there. You should go there. उसे अब घर जाना चाहिए. He should go home now. He should go home now. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? आपको रोज व्यायाम करना चाहिए. You should exercise daily. You should exercise daily. वो ये पत्थर उठा सकता है. He can lift the stone. He can lift the stone. शायद आज बारिश हो. It may rain today. It may rain today. आपको नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए. You must follow the rules. You must follow the rules. क्या मैं आपका पेन ले सकता हूँ? Can I take your pen? Can I take your pen? हमें बड़ों का सम्मान करना चाहिए. We should respect elders. We should respect elders. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. वहाँ मत जाओ. Don't go there. Don't go there. दरवाजा बंद करो. Close the door. Close the door. कृपया शांत रहें. Please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. अपनी किताब खोलो. Open your book. Open your book. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. पंखा बंद कर दो. Turn off the fan. Turn off the fan. धीरे बोलो. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. मुझे एक गिलास पानी दो. Give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water. मेरे पास एक कार है. I have a car. I have a car. उसके पास पैसे नहीं हैं. He doesn't have money. He doesn't have money. यह मेरी किताब है. This is my book. This is my book. वह मेरा भाई है. He is my brother. He is my brother. क्या आपके पास पेन है? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? वे खिलाड़ी हैं. They are players. They are players. मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. आकाश नीला है. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. मेरे दो भाई हैं. I have two brothers. I have two brothers. फूल सुंदर हैं. The flowers are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. अंग्रेजी पूरी दुनिया में बोली जाती है. English is spoken all over the world. English is spoken all over the world. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. उसे खेलने दो. Let him play. Let him play. ये काम किया जाना चाहिए. This work should be done. This work should be done. चाय बन रही है. Tea is being prepared. Tea is being prepared. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? Are you ready? घबराओ मत. Don't panic. Don't panic. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. आप क्या करते हैं? What do you do? What do you do? वह बहुत मेहनती है. He is very hardworking. He is very hardworking. मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. आई एम गेटिंग लेट, कल छुट्टी है। टुमारो इज अ हॉलिडे, टुमारो इज अ हॉलिडे। अपनी सेहत का ध्यान रखें। टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ, टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ। सब ठीक है। एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन। मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है। आई डोंट लाइक दिस, आई डोंट लाइक दिस। फिर मिलेंगे। सी यू अगेन, सी यू अगेन। भगवान आपका भला करे। गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू।